What's up, YouTube? This is my very first video, and I love cars, and I'm just gonna base my YouTube channel around cars. And for my very first video, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is just kind of a ride along in my car. I mean, never made a video and I don't have a lot of good ideas yet. I know I will in the future, but I just wanna make the video and kind of get used to it. So whenever I do have some really good ideas, I will be prepared and will be used to making videos. So yeah, so I have a 2022 Toyota GR86. So here's the car. Basically the only thing I've done is like some little small stuff, and then there's a couple big things, but nothing really big. Smoked headlights. I got the smoked LED side markers. I have it lowered 1.25 inches all the way around, so it looks pretty good like that. Any lower where I live would probably be rough getting in a lot of the driveways. Just recently for Christmas got wide angle mirrors, and that helps a lot with the blind spots. I got smoked taillight inserts. I have a Remark axle back exhaust. I'll let y'all guys hear that in a minute. And then I have this diffuser. It's only off eBay, but a lot of people have it for this generation. It looks really good. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. I've not started up all day, so it's gonna be a actual cold start. Here's some of the interior details. I have the knob covers right there, and for the dowels right there. And here's the door panels, and then wide angle mirrors from the inside of the car. There's literally, like, whenever I'm on the road, I can see like 2 or 3 lanes across. There's literally no blind spot now. I just installed a Billet Works short throw shifter, and this thing feels good. Like, this thing is solid. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the build now. I mean, it's not really, I don't know if I'd actually consider it a build. It's just, it's like OEM plus, you know, daily driver type car. All right, now that the car is warmed up, we can actually go out. So let's get. came here to this church kind of near my house just to get some shots of the car and let you guys really see it from a better point of view. All right, now I'm gonna get some drive-bys of the car. It's really cold out, so I'm gonna try to hurry up. Hopefully nobody steals my phone while I'm driving by. There's this long road that I'm about to drive down. I'm not gonna drive all the way down, but I think it's a really good spot to get a flyby. Here's the road, by the way. Like, it's pretty long right here. I'm pretty sure my dad said they used to race right here. They would all line up at this church and go around and then race. All right, well, that'll pretty much wrap up my first video. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And I plan to make more. I don't know what ideas I have yet, but I know I will have some eventually. Thank you for watching, and bye.